Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now I know what you're thinking, another video about how someone made a ton of money, but did they do it by selling skincare on TikTok? But no, this is different. I'm about to tell you about the simple strategy that doubled my income, and spoiler alert, it's not cryptocurrency or investing in avocado toast companies. But before we get into the magic strategy, let me take you back to a time where I was struggling. And no, it wasn't a back in my days we walked uphill both ways to work type of struggle. It was a real struggle. I was working 40 hours a week, maybe even 50. The salary was like, well, let's just say I was getting paid in exposure, like when you work for free but you get a follow instead of money. You haven't been there? And don't even get me started on my side hustle. At one point, I was trying to sell custom socks on Etsy. Yeah, not my best idea. And you know how when you sell socks, you tell everyone they're unique, but deep down, they're just, socks. Okay, so here's where things changed for me. I started really thinking about my time. And you know what that popped in my head? The answer to everything. Leverage. No. Not like leveraging your friend's Netflix password. Seriously, pay for your own account, Karen. I realized that the key to unlocking more income wasn't just about working harder or selling socks. It was about leveraging my skills and automating things. Working smarter, not harder. The stuff you see on Twitter, where someone's like, I made 1 million from my phone in my bed while I ate avocado toast. And you're like, is this even real? Okay, here it is, the magic trick, the secret sauce, the Mona Lisa of strategies that actually work for me. I started using a simple method called automation and outsourcing. No, I didn't hire a robot, although I wish I could, but I learned how to automate my processes, things like email marketing, social media posts, and content creation. This allowed me to free up my time. Time, my friend, is the ultimate currency. No one ever said, I wish I had more money and less time. And outsourcing, don't even get me started. It's like hiring someone to do your own work, but they're actually really good at it. It was like hiring a virtual assistant to handle the tasks I was wasting time on, like sorting emails, schedule meetings, or figuring out the Wi-Fi password. So I took all the time I saved, and guess what I did? Drumroll, I didn't waste it on Netflix. I used it to focus on high-value tasks that directly increased my income, like building relationships, creating better products, and yes, finally starting a YouTube channel. And here's the kicker. I doubled my income by doing less of the things I hated and more of what I loved. Who's laughing now? Moment, it wasn't magic. It was just using the right strategy. Alright, so if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I want in on this, here's how you can apply this strategy to automate repetitive tasks. Use tools like Zapier or Buffer to automate social media posts and emails. Outsource. Delegate things that don't need your personal touch. Focus on high-value work. Identify what directly brings in income or growth and spend more time on it. Use your free time to learn, network, or improve something in your business career. In fact, you might be thinking, wait, do I need a fancy office and a huge team for this? No, you don't. Heck, I started from my couch in sweatpants. Let me tell you, that's how some of the world's richest people get their start. So, if you're still here, first of all, congratulations for surviving my rambling. But really, I want you to take action. If you're serious about leveling up your income, start small with automation and start outsourcing the things you don't want to do. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never look back. It's like that first time you had a salad and didn't hate it. Yeah, that's how powerful it is. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, or at least didn't totally regret watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more strategies and, of course, random jokes. Catch you in the next one. Time millionaires.